Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn or we are going to have a lecture about journal ledger. Journal ledger basically it's a ledger which we have record against each journal. For example, we have recorded a journal entries and we have to prepare a ledger. So therefore we have to prepare each entry or each account or each head we have used in the journal. We have to prepare a ledger. It is also called a T accounts because it has a form like T. We have two form as you can see in the diagram. We have got a cash journal ledger or cash T account in which we have recorded the entries of cash, the inflows and outflow of cash. Similarly, we have recorded in the journal. We have to prepare a ledger for each head separately. Cash, for instance, if I give you an example, we have three types of accounts like cash, bank, and purchases. So therefore, we have to prepare three journal ledgers or T accounts. Firstly, we prepare cash and we have recorded all cash transactions. For instance, wherever cash term is used, we have to record it in the ledger with amount. Or we can say this: we have to record the cash transactions. We have to record cash transactions into our ledger where we have made purchases against cash, so we have to record it in the credit side of the ledger. Or we have made some sales against cash, we have also recorded this entry on the debit side of the transaction. As we have known the nature of this asset, when asset increases we have recorded this, or we record this asset into debit side, or when we decrease an asset we record it credit side. So they are each account use a general ledger, whether it is purchased or any other account like salary expenses for etc. We have record each we have to prepare each account or sub account general ledger to record the entry and balance when we finalize these entries. For instance, if we have completed entries of cash and recorded in the journal, we have to close this account. We have to close this balance at month end or year end, as per company practice or as per your practice, as per a question. So this is the general concept of general ledger. I will be soon I will be giving you a practical example of journal ledger, in which I am going to prepare, or I will be preparing a journal ledger. I will draw a question. I and in On this question I will be going to give you a lecture or lesson about journal ledger, how to prepare, how to close this transaction, and how to use actually how to make these journal ledgers. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.